Hey guys, it's John with OBO Cigar Reviews, and it's here, my Privada Cigar Club June box. Came a little damaged, so I'm just hoping the cigars are fine. But let's see, man. So let's get this opened up and see what we get. And see if everything's okay. Let me go get my knife. I will be right back, guys. Hey guys, so let's get this cut open. Hope all the cigars are good in here. Everything looks good so far. Toss that box that way. And so far, so good with the farm rolled. So we got some more Jachi Blanco farm rolled here, guys. Let's take a look at these bad boys. I dropped my little Bovita pack. So let's see this, guys. Number one is the Ultra Premium La Zona Nicaragua Habano 6x54. Tasty notes berry, herbs, earth, and floral. Evening to afternoon stick. Number two, it's a boutique cigar. It is from undisclosed Nicaraguan Maduro. 5x52, guys. Leather, nuts, wood, earth, berries, afternoon cigar. Number three, limited edition Nicaraguan Connecticut black pepper, powdery smoke, toast, caramel, morning. Last but not least is the exclusive Tabaqueria Tropical Habano 6.5x56. Notes on this one are black pepper, powdery smoke, cream, caramel. It's an afternoon or evening cigar. So that's it for the farm roll, guys. Give me a second while I open up the Privada Cigar Club box for June. Hey guys, so we got the June box here from Privada. Right away, we're going to start with this guy. The Big Bird by Aldino, aged 7 months. It is a Honduran Habano wrapper, Corojo Honduran binder, and Corojo Honduran filler. Tasty notes on this one: cedar, cheese funk, cedar, rich tobacco, green tea, crisp vinegar tang, cranberry. This one sounds interesting, guys. Take a look at that band right there. So that one looks good. Next, we're gonna go with the Rojas KSG Red Lonsdale Privada exclusive, aged for 9 months, guys. It's an Ecuadorian Habano Maduro wrapper, Nicaraguan binder, and Nicaraguan filler. Notes on this one: milk, chocolate, cocoa, white pepper, roasted nuts, cedar, blackberries, charcoal. I think I'm gonna really enjoy this one, guys. And last but not least, again, is Mr. Robot's Fumador by Mr. Robot Cigars, aged 1 year. Never had this company before. Wrappers undisclosed, binders undisclosed, and fillers undisclosed, guys, on this one. Really looking forward to this. Something completely new for me. Tasty notes. What do we get? Mustiness, cocoa, coffee, latte, toffee, vanilla. Wow, my mouth is watering right now. Roasted coffee, nuttiness. Yeah. It really sounds like I might enjoy this one, guys. So let me know in the comments below, guys, which of these three you want me to review first, and I will go ahead and review that one first, guys. So thanks for watching. This is John with OBO Cigar Reviews. Please support the channel, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and like always, guys, thanks for taking the cigar experience with me.